All right, ladies and gentlemen, as always, a minute to go before bell open. So make sure you guys have. The ticker for Shoe Carnival is SCVL. Now, I don't know if it's going to be good. This isn't something I would typically watch nor trade, but I've seen some stocks like this before do some pretty cool things. So I'm going to just be optimistic on its end and see if it has a good day. That's SCVL.
Apple's starting to roll here, pre-market guys. Probably gonna watch a short here in Apple.
All right, bell's open. Dix hasn't really started doing a whole lot yet. Shoe Carnival's starting to move.
SPY broke out to the upside here. So there's the Apple pop. See what it does here at pre-market. Missed the AMD. Quick draw down there. Why is my chart?
So I would say Dix is starting to look a little weak. Might look to short this right now. Oh, there goes Box. Starting to drop. AEO starting to go down. Oh, I'm missing Box. TLRY is trying to squeeze up a little bit. GKOS is starting to push.
Big SPY dump.
Oh, I missed Box. Dang it.
SPY. There's the Apple short. Getting a short here for the fail of the 50. Tiffany from my watch list here in
All right,
2 hours.
just got short on Dix. I'm shorting Dix, looking a little weak, trying to break this 32.75 area. Oh, just instantly got squeezed on Dix. Got to get out of that. Let's see. Still holding below the 50. All right, maybe I don't have to get out just yet. It's holding pretty good at this 32.75. A lot of buys coming in. I'm going to take it off. So I'm all out of Dix for a $474 loss as it just wouldn't break that 32.75s. Dang, just got shooky. I got to wait.
Nvidia's coming up to our resistance channel here. If it starts to fail this 274.50 and below, I'll short that as well. Apple short working out, boys. There's the panic. Covered half a little bit there, guys. Beautiful Apple short here. Tiffany blew right through our support line.
Might start getting a panic here on Box just watching it. Not short, yeah. I feel like I'm chasing Box down if I try to short that.
I'll take the rest off on Apple here. So get a nice buyer's candle there. So clear on that. Wow, Tiffany's. Holy cow. Blow through our support we had.
So I'm currently short on AEO. It's looking a little weak, like it's trying to roll and break down once again. So currently holding short AEO here. Box was a great short that I missed.
Upcoming Apple here. Starting to stalk the SPY. Tesla big dump. Wow. SPY's going to break out of our 290.03 channel here. If it goes down, watch your longs here. Facebook's the only thing recovering nicely. It's curling.
Yeah, AEO does look a little weak. Still holding short here. AEO starting to work out. There it goes. Come on, AEO, panic, baby. There it goes. AEO starting to dump beautifully. Still holding short. Just got some people taking profits on it right now.
AMD is going to have a nice pop here. AMD to the VWAP. Watch it on the 50 rejection at opening price. See what it does up there for a short.
So still holding AEO short here. Boom, there it is, baby. Okay. So I just took off 2,000 shares on the AEO short. Only have 500 shares short now.
NVIDIA broke through resistances. AMD is into the 50 EMA here. Here's breakout over the live highs on AMD. Kicked out of my NVIDIA short. Let's see here. Facebook's looking strong, guys. Gonna hold this 50. Watch this for long. AMD is starting to get heavy on that 50.
So AEO is starting to squeeze back up a little bit. Just going to hold these 500 shares, see if we get a little bit of a retest to the downside. It kind of looks like it wants to squeeze.
Wow, Apple flying down. Great short there on Apple. Should have held through. There's Facebook. This little pop.
So still holding short here on AEO. Might just look to take off the last shares here. A lot of buys coming in on it right now. Come on, hold her down, baby. Come on. Let's go. Get a 24 test. Get a 24 test for real, not 24.10. Give us a 24. Still got sellers coming down. Tape still red. Still red. Let's go. Snap 24 and panic. Snap 24 panic. Come on, baby. Can it do it? Can it do it? A lot of buys. All right, I'm all out on AEO. So $845 winner on AEO after getting squeezed on Home Depot. So what's that put me at? So we're up 370 on the day. One win, one loss. Box is looking really weak here. Yeah, so I'm entering short on Box for a scalp trade to the downside. Just looking forward to kind of retest the previous low areas in 1,100 shares short. A lot of sellers. Holy cow, tons of sellers on Box right now. Also a lot of buyers at this $24 price. Yeah, I was only able to get, I tried to short 2,500, I think. I was only able to get filled 1,100. Oh, it's being so stupid right now. Come on. The sellers there are massive. Just let it hammer it down. It's not going. Runs a strong risk of squeezing. Yes, it does. So I'm going to take that off. So all out of that one for a small loss. All right. Let it do its thing. So 282 bucks or 280. Not bad. Not bad. Could have been better. Could have been worse.
AMD break out of the channel there. Wow. I'm just hanging out. Apple short was the only play here.
So GKOS is just kind of being stupid right now. It's popping up towards like the consolidation of the day pre-market. Oh, I thought I put up the momentum scanner. Jeez, I apologize. There you guys go. That's my fault. My apologies. So GKOS ended up just running, did it not? Let's see. Yeah, nice push there on that. So now that Box has done its thing, where are we at? 23. We're at 2390s.
NVIDIA breakout. Resistance support. Wow. AMD, big rejection there. Right at my trend line. Should have shorted right there in 24.65.
A lot of sellers are, I was gonna say, Box is kind of pushing back down lower again. Might want to take it short again. We'll see.
No relief in Tiffany, still going down.
Oh, not Home Depot, but Dick's is starting to look weak again. Kind of missed the entry, but I think it's going to give way. All right, I'm trying to get in short on Dick's here.
Yeah, my Joni on that one doesn't look too bad. Wait for a little pop into the 50 here.
Yeah, it just got short, but I think it might even run the risk of popping first, so we'll just have to wait through it.
Spy strong.
More sellers coming in. Come on, break it down. Break it down. Come on.
There we go.
Get it. Get it.
Short.
Come on. Smash it. Jeez, come on. Let's go. Break it. Break 33. Break 33. Let's go. Smash. This is not the smash I want. Let's go. Start panicking. Test low a day there at 32.75, and it's already back up and over 33. Oh, the battle here is unreal. You know what? It might just be stupid until we get that earnings call.
Yeah. Hold it for now.
A lot of sellers coming back in there. Wow.
Facebook's having some trouble here.
Apple
Apple full recovery.
Very surprised this thing hasn't started panicking here. Five-minute chart's definitely looking a little weak.
Spy's getting a little wicky here. Facebook having trouble with the VWAP.
Wow. God damn it, Dix. Yeah.
Looks like we might have to, well, we have to give it to recovery, so we'll see.
Just trying to be patient with this sucker.
Mm-hmm.
What is up with 33? Why is it holding so strong?
Facebook failing yesterday's close.
Is anybody's Thinkorswim starting to lag a little bit, or is it just me?
Ouch.
Come on, let's go back down below 33. Is it possible? Can you do it for me, little buddy? Still holding this Dick's short. I'm taking it off. I'm all out. I'm not liking it. It's taking too long. So another loss on Dick's. No bueno. Just couldn't move in the manner I needed it to. So basically break even on the day now. It's close. Almost had her. But there it goes. There's a short squeeze. That's why I got out.
AMD perfect rejection of my trend line at 24.75. Pushed out of Dick's. Be stalking AMD here, guys, for looking to get a
I mean,
top.
now Dick's might be even setting up for a possible long, but it's just being stupid now.
I'll leave that one alone. I'm going to.
Yeah, don't fight it. It's already kicked your butt twice.
Yeah.
Connor.
SPY holding up at the top trend here. I'm going to see at 290.15.
So sad. I'm so sad. If I never would have traded Dick's, I'd be up $1,000 on the day, basically.
No biggie. Lots and lots of plays to be had. Just waiting for the setups. NVIDIA starting the top of yesterday's pre-market. That SPY looking real wicky, giving us the dump here. Back down to the bottom of the channel. So it's still chopping in between our 290.03 and 290.17. There finally broke the 290.03 a bit.
Look at Box going.
AMD left without me. Sad.
GKOS looking a little weak there.
SPY huge dump.
Oh, look at what's it called, Dick's rolling back over to that 33.
All right, got short here. AMD for the fail to 50. AMD starting to pop against me.
SCVL is kind of looking weak.
Yeah, I'm just waiting here to see what it is at the trend. I kind of broke below.
There goes Home Depot. Starting to break, just broke. A lot of sellers still piling in on it.
There's the DKS. I'm hoping for SPY continuation under trend line 290 flat here.
I'm going to take it. That's right, Dick's. Hopped in a little late on it, but
AMD is a VWAP bounce, it looks like, so no short play here.
there goes a squeeze back up on it.
Still holding short here on AMD.
Wow.
Almost pushed me out.
Crazy squeeze there on Dick's.
Wow, if AMD breaks this lower channel here again, it's got to let go at 24.44 here, all the way down. Be patient with her. So recover the channel again. Big pop again into the 9.
Ah, man, I gotta
MG.
stop fighting dicks. It just keeps giving me a run for the money. Think I'll nail it, then I don't. But just being patient. Broke trend to the downside, so just be patient.
AMD is starting to look weak here. Come on, SPY dump. Looking for a dump here. There we go. Come on, let loose. Under the VWAP. Here we go.
Wow, recovered 33 already. Holding 33 well. Taking dicks off. Again, just can't. All right, you're done for dicks. No bueno there. So we're going to do 400 down, 320 on the day down. Not too bad, I guess. Seen worse.
AMD. I'll wait for it to fail the 50-minute VWAP here. It'd be nice. Let's see. SPY's popping into the 50. Letting loose here. AMD starting to recover here.
That's
Short
right.
not working out.
Smash. So I did take short on GKOS, just letting this thing kind of smash.
Apple breakout.
So it's covered 500 shares on GKOS as it's starting to move down. Covered another 250 shares on GKOS. And what do we got? You got some more downside in you? Come on, GKOS, give us one more leg to the downside. Tap VWAP. Tap the VWAP. All right, we'll take out those last 250. All right, I've resurrected myself from the dead. All right, that's good. So back up to 600 bucks profit on the day. Thank you for that one trade. All right,
Nice,
time to
nice.
sit back. I'm done for this moment. Gonna sit back.
Still in AMD, chilling here short. Looking at what we're doing here, failing the 9, such.
Oh man,
Looking at to start pushing past the 50 here, but let's see.
Got annihilated today on dicks. Note to self: never to trade dicks again when you think you got it. Look at that, just cannot pick a direction. Yeah, it's probably because the earnings call's coming up. Once it happens, then we'll have more.
Yeah.
A concise decision.
Hopefully AMD looking heavy here. It started to top at our last pre-market high, 24.56. I'm still short, still waiting for the payday. Let's see if we get it at this time. It's coming down to the VWAP, broke through. This thing really needs to pull here. I'm gonna get out.
Yeah, Kron could be going for a red to green move here. There's a lot of overhead resistance on it though. Still a lower high. I mean, there's definitely a lot of people trying to short this today. This could lead to a nice boom. L Brands just came on the scanner.
Ooh, there's the AMD dump.
Are you getting AMD? You getting AMD, son?
Yeah, baby, there's the dump we needed.
There you go. Nice trade.
Nice job. All right. Held true, guys. Now she should really dip out.
So Cron has recovered some pre-market resistance. Fossil just hit the scanners. Oh, Fossil's getting annihilated right now.
Nice play on AMD here, guys. All right. It's 50 contracts on AMD. 5,000 trades. 10%. All right. Now we're in the greens. Big greens. I'm just gonna be hanging out here, guys. All right, how do we got? Dix, huge, large, Nvidia, messing around with the VWAP. Spy is choppy, no direction pick yet. What do we have?
So sitting up 588 on the day. Not the most consistent day. Dix is really what hurt me today, but
Nvidia, of course, huge sell-off after that run-up. Pre-market resistance yesterday, hit now too busy messing with AMD. Waiting for the SPY to pick a direction so we can find a nice run trade. Fortunately, everything had huge sell-offs this morning, so missed a lot of swing entries, but PayPal's the only play that we were talking about going long on that worked out. Point and some change on.
still
Tesla
watching
failed
this
the VWAP.
GKOS, guys. GKOS is starting to kind of roll a little bit. It is just over the VWAP, but if this fails, we could get a nice breakdown here.
There's the big panics in AMD we were waiting for.
So watching FOS or not FOS, GKOS for a breakdown below VWAP here possibly.
Could get a few more contracts there, about 20% on AMD.
DKS is most likely, yeah, it just short squeezed us all. Oh, GKOS starting to break down a little bit.
Oh, AMD. 36% running.
Beautiful trade there.
Still hanging out.
So just took GKOS short below the VWAP. Now it needs to break down below. What was I gonna say? It's got to break down below the 50 moving average. If it can snap the 50 moving average, we should get a nice push to the downside. The only thing that worries me is this is a first attempt at the 50 moving average, but it's also a steady grind down. It wasn't just smashing straight to the 50. Let's go. Come on, GKOS. Start breaking that. Break the 50, smash. Break the 50 and just go for a big dump. I'm taking 500 shares off there as it's holding that level pretty well. Yeah.
SPY's been trending here. The VWAP looks like it might be able to pop here pretty soon. Just watch any shorts. SPY might be running. I missed my Facebook entry. I said 175.50 hold.
So all out of GKOS is it's bouncing up off that 50 moving average. So it took it all off, couldn't break that 50, starting to squeeze up again. So still up about 530 bucks on the day, so it's all right. It's okay. Fossils just dropping like a rock.
NVIDIA had a nice bounce there on the 50 EMA.
Looks like Fossil's getting ready for a leg down. Yeah, there it goes. Feel like I'd be chasing Fossil down. I can't do that. No. GKOS is back below the VWAP, testing the 50 moving average for the second time. Question is this where it fails? So GKO is still holding this 50 moving average. If it can break that 50 EMA, I think we're going to get a good push to the downside. So that's what I'm carefully watching right now.
Which one is it?
GKOS.
Oh, wow. Oh, yeah, this guy, the 20-point.
That's what I'm saying. If it can fail this 50 without, I think we're going to get a big short.
Yeah.
I mean, it could easily be a 3-4 point short with the spread and how quick it moves.
Apple's going to come down here, guys. Under pre-market support 2240. It's going to start breaking down.
So I just retook GKOS short as it started breaking that 50 moving average.
And it's a very similar trader to that other one we just had up the other day.
Ah, did it just recover? Oh, it did just recover. You mother.
Well, still under the view app. I think it give it time.
Yeah, it didn't get the best fill on it.
I think a gap fill 55.
Come on, smash, baby. This is the kind of it needs to break this 65. Boom. If it breaks 65, panic. Just took 600 shares off.
Beautiful.
And I'm taking the last there. Oh, I didn't mean to do that. Oh, no, flatten all out. I actually fat fingered in a long entry there. So, some choppy trading there. It's all right. It was okay. So that's going to put us up to $900 on the day. Thank you.
Yeah, it's just that bounce you see at 64.40s. Now just give it time to retrace and
yeah, I meant to.
view app again.
I had 400 shares on, and then I meant to cover those last 400 up, but I had 600 in my box. So when I hit buy back, I actually bought 200 shares, and then so fat fingered. All right, so we're going to end it there. So guys, thank you guys again for tuning in live on YouTube. As you can see today was a little bit choppy, had a rough start and not very consistent today. So this is what you can expect in the trader lifestyle, that sometimes you're not going to always be perfect, but hopefully this is a good learning experience for you guys to see these trades live in real time. So thank you guys once again for tuning in. Always make sure to look at the description box to join our free chat room and any other services we provide, and we will see you on the next video.